Okay, guys, so we're going to talk about symmetry first with our butterfly project that we're going to make. You can see them on the board, the two examples, okay? And symmetrical means that they're the same on either side, okay? This one is symmetrical because the either side of the escalator with the same windows on either side. This house is symmetrical, although with the door open, it's called asymmetrical when it's different on one side than the other. This door makes it different than this side because this door is closed. Okay, these giraffes, if you were to fold this in half down this line, these giraffes would be symmetrical. Okay, the Big Ben, the big clock in London, this line of men, okay, the stairways. So again, if you fold it in half, and if it were to fold over like this, if you were to fold it over like this, it would be symmetrical. The thumbs, my thumbs touch, my fingers touch, my other finger, the same fingers, it's the same. The only reason it's a little bit asymmetrical is because my wedding ring on this finger, okay, makes it asymmetrical. But besides that, you get the idea. So looking here, going back, these towers are symmetrical. Okay, you get the idea? These guards that are going two different directions, but it looks symmetrical because their legs are in the same kind of spot. Now, this is symmetrical going horizontally. If you were to fold it over, if you were to fold it like this, down like that direction, from the top down, okay? These two cats laying back to back, this restaurant, okay, this city street. So you get the idea. So that is what symmetrical is. When we make our butterflies today, we're going to be working horizontally, and we're going to make a symmetrical butterfly, like my examples on the board. Here's one of them. You can see the circle that I made on one side is on the other side. This yellow shape is the same. The blue with the purple on this side is the same. The yellow at the bottom, the purple at the bottom. So you're going to pick 5 different colors when you're done, and you're going to color it in. Okay, to start off, we're going to share these butterflies. Okay, I'm going to put 2 on each table, and we're going to share them. Hold the bottom down. Take your pencil. Hold it up a little bit from the bottom. Don't hold it right at the bottom. It makes it harder to trace. Then you're going to go around the outside of your butterfly. Then once you go all the way around back to the bottom, take your hand and move your hand so you can get the bottom part of the butterfly. Then there's your butterfly. Now, we're going to draw our shapes on here. So on this one, I'm just going to draw a circle over here. Okay, so then I draw a circle over here to make it symmetrical. Okay, now if they're not exactly the same size, get them close. And then you do want to put an oval in the middle here for the body of the butterfly. Okay, you're going to put 2 antennae coming off the butterfly. And we'll color those in later, okay? So then, I might make a shape like this, like a saddle shape. Or a moon shape. I changed my mind. I want to do a moon shape. Okay? And then in here, I can just work with the area that I have. I'm making you know what? I'm going to make another big moon shape.
Big one this time.
Okay, and then down here I'm going to do circles that get bigger and then smaller. Smaller, then bigger, bigger than smaller. Smaller than bigger than smaller. Okay, and then on here, I'm going to make shapes in here. Maybe I make triangles going different directions. Now I'm getting kind of fancy. You don't have to get this fancy.
That's what I was going to do.
But I would like you to draw inside. Okay. You get the idea?
Yes.
Okay. So once you're done drawing it in, oops.
You can do, you got a copy? Brayden, how did you get that?
And, okay, so then maybe in here I'll just do a star. And I'll do a star over here. Okay. And then in here, maybe I'll just do some lines. Okay? Do you guys get the idea? Okay, and then I'm going to color it in using my 5 colors. Now, when you get your colors, you're going to be using chalk. Okay? Chalk, you have to push a little bit harder. So I'm just going to show you real quick. You might get like kind of a rough edge, and then you got to kind of, there's kind of a funny wax on the outside that keeps the chalk from falling apart. And you're going to get a little bit of dust. When you get the dust, hang it over the side of the table and blow the dust off. And then whatever I color one side, I've got to color the other side. So it's symmetrical with both shapes and color. Okay? Then you'll color the whole thing in. Then when they come out of the laminator, we'll go around them with a black Sharpie. Okay? Does that make sense?
What's a black shirt?
Okay.